Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on a video on CapCut. So guys, if you want to add subtitles on a video in CapCut, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. Here I will show you how can you add subtitles on a video in CapCut. So guys, here you can see this. I am playing this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to UK Motors, the destination, where you will find all luxury vehicles review on daily basis.
So as you can see this, the video is playing. Now I am going to add the subtitles on the video. So guys, all you have to do is that you have to simply open the captions from here. So as you can see this, simply tap on captions, and from here you have to simply tap on the captions or templates from here. You can see this, you have to simply select any caption from here which you want to add. So as you can see, there are multiple captions or subtitles which you can add to your video. So guys, here I am selecting this one. So guys, once you select it, you have to simply tap on generate and wait for a couple of seconds, and after this the captions or the subtitles will be added on your video. So guys, wait for a second, and here you can see this, the captions or the subtitles has been added on the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to UK Motors, the destination, where you will find all luxury vehicles
So guys, you
review
can see
on
this,
daily basis.
the captions are added as subtitles. So guys, in this way you can also add captions or subtitles on a video in CapCut. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.